Hola everyone, how are you doing? What a day in the market today. Today we are going to primarily talk about Bitcoin, but we'll take a quick look at the market. It's crazy. The NASDAQ futures were up 60, down 100. Now they're currently down 80. Is it a dead cat bounce? I don't know. Anyway, today's topic is mostly cryptocurrency. As you all know, I'm super excited about Bitcoin. I think it is one of the best investments of the future, one of the best opportunities. I am not a financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only. Do not listen to me, especially in Bitcoin. It is highly volatile, gut-wrenching volatile. You have really got to be able to deal with massive pullbacks if you get into this. If you invest in cryptocurrency, again, highly volatile, and there's some other risks. We'll get into that too. We'll briefly get into that. And I will have chapters down below, so if you're impatient like me, I get it. You've heard this before. Just skip to the part you want, and for all my loyal subscribers out there that watch the whole thing, I love you the most. Anyway, today, Tastyworks. Let's look at it, man. I started off great. I was up a few thousand, and then the NASDAQ, out of nowhere, the NASDAQ's down like 160 points. Are you kidding me? And I'm down 10, 11,000. Now I'm only down about 3,800. I did a couple swing trades in APXT and Palantir. Lost a few shekels. That's fine because I did a YOLO trade in Bitcoin, and boy, did I get lucky. Like, first of all, this Bitcoin futures is massive weight, like pushing massive weight. The tick, this is a big product. This is a lot of leverage. I said, screw it. I YOLO'd. I went long. The sun was shining on my A today because I made $3 on that trade in like 5-10 minutes. Like, are you kidding me? YOLO works out. That hardly ever happens. Usually you lose 5 or 10 grand before you even know what hit you. Anyway, again, I got lucky. I'm tempted to continue to trade it some more, because I am so bullish Bitcoin. Like, I think this thing is going to 25,000 soon. How soon? I don't know. But if I were to go long this and it went to 25 grand, man, I don't remember how much this is per tick. That would be a lot of money. Alternatively, if Bitcoin crashes, my account's gone. You know what I'm saying? So I do got some exciting news about Tastyworks and cryptocurrency. Stick around towards the end and I will get into that. I am so excited about this. I can't stand it. Again, link down below to Tastyworks. It's one of the best trading platforms out there for stocks, especially for options, futures. It's a great platform created by Tom Sosnoff. If you don't know who he is, he created Thinkorswim. I'm sure a lot of you use it. Sold that to TD Ameritrade, has his own network now. Big news is that they bought a coin exchange and they're going to bring that online soon, hopefully in the next couple weeks. I'm super excited about that. That isn't even the big news yet. Anyway, that's coming on soon. I'm definitely looking to trade more Bitcoin, more Ethereum. I'm super bullish on Ethereum too. Ethereum, people are coming up with price targets of like 30 grand, which is insane. But dude, it's like what, 500 or 600 bucks right now, even if it just doubles. I mean, who's going to complain about that? I do think, even though they're extremely volatile, I do think Bitcoin and Ethereum especially are massive opportunities. I am looking to put a lot more money into those, especially when the coin exchange comes online. That being said, when it comes online, you can't take custody of it, but that is something that they will add into the future. So you can buy and sell it, but you can't take custody of it, meaning you can't put it on your wallet. But that is something that they plan to implement. A lot of regulations and et cetera with these coin exchanges. So they're going through the paces, and while that won't be available right away, that'll definitely be something that gets added. That's not the exciting news either. That's coming up. But anyway, highly recommend this platform. Link down below. Check it out. Open an account. If you put in $2,500, that's one referral to me. And if I sell if I refer 750, I get a Tesla. You know, that would be awesome because I'm one of the biggest Tesla bulls on the planet. I want one badly. I really want that Cybertruck. Anyway, let's get on. Let's talk about some Bitcoin. So here we are. We're looking at the chart for Bitcoin. It did hit a high today of around 19,864 range. 862, 19,862, 864. I am pretty sure that is a new all-time high. Please correct me down below if I'm wrong. I believe the previous all-time high was about 19,800, right around there. So you can see it got right at the all-time high. hit resistance, did come back down. I do think it's going to go back up and touch that again, possibly even today. And if it blasts through that, maybe that comes support. That would be amazing. Then I believe, you know, all these chartists and whatever, they're talking like 24, 25,000. That would be amazing if Bitcoin did go into that range and this 20 grand became support. And I'm waiting for Tastyworks. I am looking to go in heavy in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Had a really good year. Started that account off at the beginning of the year with about 30 grand in it. I mentioned this before. I did a cash out refinance, got 55 grand, lower interest rate. About 30 grand of that was going to be spent fixing my house. But COVID, I don't know if I'm supposed to say that. Anyway, that came along. I didn't want any contractors in my house, so I just threw it in the stock market. And I got crazy lucky with Tesla, Neo, Xpeng. More than double that account. There's like, right now it's sitting at like 190 grand, which is like 110 grand profit. Oh my goodness, the taxes. I mean, 80 or 90 grand of that's just in the last 6 weeks or so. It's insane. I still have to pinch myself. How are you guys doing? Like, are you having this is the best year I've ever had. Easy. You know, more money, more problems. That's for sure. Anyway, I am looking to scale a lot of that back. I have 200 shares of Tesla. I think Tesla and Bitcoin are the two best investments to have out there. So I'm probably going to scale back my stock account down to half of it. So I'm still there with roughly my 80 or 90 grand that I theoretically started with. Still on stocks, going long, going strong. And yes, I am seriously contemplating going 50% range, the 50% range in cryptocurrency. YOLO for sure. Definitely do not just listen to me and think I know what I'm doing, because I don't, dude. I'm YOLOing, right? That would be a YOLO, but I am extremely bullish Bitcoin. It is a supply and demand, I believe. There's about 30 billionaires, you know, theoretical billionaires that are investing heavily in Bitcoin. I think there is a massive transfer of wealth of people getting into Bitcoin, secretly getting into Bitcoin because they want to get as much as possible while it's still low. And while some people think this is crazy high, I think this is crazy low. When you hear things like Citibank saying this can go to 318K by the end of 2021, I think that's a bit not, you know, I don't really think that's a probability. It is a possibility, but I don't think it's highly probable. I do think Bitcoin can easily see a double, a triple, a quadruple in 2021. The squeeze could come on. FOMO, institutions are looking to buy it. JP Morgan is now bullish it. There's several grayscales buying it by the thousands. Square just recently bought 50 million. PayPal's coming online. What Square did, I think, is really genius. They are investing in Bitcoin. Instead of having just all cash, they have cash and Bitcoin. It's more of an investment to them, like cash that devalues and, you know, inflation and all that. Bitcoin, they see the writing on the wall like a lot of us. Bitcoin is going to continue to go up, in my opinion, a lot. Again, it's limited. There's only 21.5 max Bitcoin that could ever be out there. That's it. You got people like, again, Square accumulating. I think you're going to start seeing other businesses, and they might already be doing it. It just hasn't been disclosed yet. Like Facebook. Well, Facebook's coming out with their own cryptocurrency, and that's coming in January. I think in a limited edition, but I think that's a very good reason to be in Facebook. That's already a monster of a company, and their Libra or whatever. I believe it's going, I'm not an expert on this, and I'm not an expert. If you're one of these people that watch a lot of Bitcoin technical videos, and dude, these people know their stuff. This is just new to me. I'm an options trader. I'm a stock trader. I'm a futures trader. But I want to get heavily, like, there is so much opportunity here. I'm definitely going to be investing in this. So that's where I'm at with Bitcoin. I'm extremely bullish. Again, there's a supply and demand issue, and that supply is going to dwindle. There we have it. Am I out of my mind? Am I crazy for going 50% into Bitcoin at the turn of the year 2021? I can't do it yet. Tax situation. Maybe I got to wait for this to come online with Tastyworks too. What are you all doing in cryptocurrency? Are you big into Bitcoin? Are you big into Ethereum? Have you been trading this Ripple? Ripple's been having a lot of movement lately. I am super excited about it. Again, I got some great news coming up, but I want to hear from you. What are you in? What do you think of Facebook and the Libra? Are you on long Facebook? I would love to go long some Facebook, but I'm already like strapped. Like I'm already leveraged to the hilt, down about 2.5 grand. The market did pull back. It looks to be rebounding. I actually bought 10 more shares of Tesla. Are you, Tom? You're out of control. So I'm now in this account, I'm at 200 shares of Tesla. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. Like I'll probably take 100 of those off the board here come January. Again, start moving a bunch of money into Bitcoin. I got to make a tax payment, move some other stuff. I am looking to get out of some of my NEO and Xpeng. We'll be doing a follow-up video on that soon. Again, like, subscribe. You don't want to miss that. I want to do a lot more of cryptocurrency stuff. Let's get into that exciting news. It's exciting to me. Hopefully it's exciting to you. So Tastyworks has this small exchange. It's really cool. They have just a few products right now. You can trade. They're similar to the micro, the mini, NASDAQ, if you're familiar with futures at all. And it's not just only on Tastyworks. There are a few other platforms that offer it. But obviously, if you go to Tastyworks and you can get a lifetime subscription to the small exchange for $100. It's amazing. You could trade things right now like they have a dollar, they have a precious metals, they have a technology index. The liquidity is still a little bit low but the volume will continue to pick up. These are great products, but the thing I am super excited about, I asked him if there, I asked Tom Sosnoff if there's how many CEOs respond to your emails. This big companies like this, within less than an hour, he already responded. I'm like, bro, is there any chance of any kind of crypto future on the small exchange? This would be amazing. It would be amazing. I traded that Bitcoin future today, but man, that product is way too big. I don't know, it's like 50, 100 times leverage, man. I don't need that kind of stress, but I want to. Futures are extremely capital efficient utilities. And he replied, yes, it's already in front, should be out Q1. I'm so excited. It's a blend of cryptos. I cannot wait to trade that. They're also adding options to all of their mini contracts. That will definitely add to liquidity. That's the kind of stuff Bitcoin needs. Bitcoin, Ethereum, I wish the regulators, and I know they've tried to get ETFs online. They got to get these ETFs online. That's going to provide extra liquidity. They got to get options on these ETFs, and they got to get options. They currently don't have options on this BTC. These are things that are going to start coming in the pipeline, and it's going to continue to add a massive amount of liquidity, FOMO, and momentum into Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrencies. I will post a link to the small exchange down below. Check it out. Check out the Tastyworks platform. Highly encourage you to sign up. It's so much better than all these other platforms, Robinhood, Weevil, and I guess they're okay. If you're not very active, Robinhood's pretty cool. If you're not very active, if you're new, check out the M1 down below and my current ETTF. It's all the stocks I'm extremely bullish on. I am trying to grow that account, just 250 at a time. Doing really well. I have a small account over here. I trade in all the time. Follow me on Twitter @Nostradamus. You don't want to miss anything. Please hit those like buttons. Help me grow the channel. Please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I plan on doing a lot more cryptocurrency trading and content. Obviously, still going to be heavily involved in options and stock and futures trading. So much opportunity there. So much great ways to diversify. There's a lot more to diversification than just having stocks of different kinds. There's so many different ways. Trading futures, trading options, trading different option strategies. And a great way to diversify, hedge your account, etc. Higher probabilities of success. You can tell I'm extremely passionate about this. Thank you for watching this. All of you have a great week. I love you all, and peace.